In section 3.1, number 65 and 66, if we are following the angles, if the following angles are drawn in standard position on the central circle shown, identify the point A through F, through which the terminal sides pass. So if you might remember from our activity, the radius is measured around the circle for each radian. So one radius, which is that length as a surface angle, shows me 1 radian. So this A, this angle that has terminal point A, the theta is 1. And similarly, I have I'm going to do another color, another radius here, so that measures radius. So if that surface area, what's it called? Arc length, arc length is radius, and that angle is also 1. So then I add these two angles together. That means that this blue angle is a size of 2 radians. So B is on the terminal side of angle that is 2 radians. And going all the way around, I see, let's do another color. Actually, let's do red again. So if I go another R, so the length between B and C, that arc length is 1 R. So that central angle that it makes, that's 1 radian. So adding these 3 radians together, starting from standard position, I have an angle that is 3 radians. So C is on the terminal side of theta equal to 3. And continuing all around, I have the same idea for D. So at D, theta, this theta is equal to 4, and that along that same line of reasoning, I'm running out of colors here, the angle that ends at E, which is all the way around here, that brown angle will have a radians equal to 5. So for 65, and that, actually, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the letters since we already did 5 of them. I need one more color. I need. I'll do light blue. And then I have this last letter F, starting at standard position, going all the way around, is 6 radians. So that terminal side of F is on an angle of 6 radians. Okay, so for part, looking at 65 specifically now, for part A, I see the following angles are drawn in standard position of the central circle shown. Identify the points A through F through which the terminal side passes. So when is the angle equal to 2? That is the little blue, the dark blue angle, which lands on B. That terminal side is on B. So I drew all over the circle, so it's harder to see now. I'm just going to slide it over here. Okay, so, so theta equal to 2 says, okay, well, that's 1 radian, that's 2 radians, so this angle is 2 radians. Theta equals 2. And that terminal side has B. So the answer for this one is B. And for question B, when theta equals 5, so we have 1 radian, 2 radians, 3 radians, 4 radians, 5 radians. Should do a different color. So going all the way around to 5 radians has the terminal side, E is on that terminal side. And then question C has theta equal to 3. Just going to clear that work from A and B. And we have 1 radian, 2 radians, 3 radians. So that angle, 3 radians, 3 radiuses, means C. So radians is really a measure of how many radiuses has your arc length traveled.